Hi guys, today I'll show you how to remove the FRP Samsung Tab T515. Let's into the video. See the message. If you have FRP lock, you can't the next you can't go ahead. See, the unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device to factory default setting. Connect to FRP. If you have the FRP, after formatted you can the next without internet. See, skip. No. So now go back. Now let's go computer. First you download from Google the same premier tool. This one I have already downloaded. You download from Google, then open this one. Wait few seconds. Check that there is the available update or no. See. Okay, see. Click the FRP, remove FRP. There is two options. Okay, now we connected tab with the computer. Now we connected that via USB cable with laptop. Okay, now connected the cable with laptop. Then go again the same premier tools. Click the FRP remove. First try with old method. See what is the option coming. FRP is successful. See, FRP is successful. Now see that now. Now we remove the cable from computer. Now we'll check is complete or what. Yeah, it's done. It's done. Wait. Go setting. And then developer option. See. Is be done. Just now make reset. See, before I told you if you have the FRP, there is showing you can't skip without internet. So now I can skip because there is no FRP. FRP is removed. It's done. Successful.